Well, parts of Nevada County took a big hit during the severe weather with a possible tornado tearing through homes on Arkansas Highway 32 and Nevada County Road 17. Channel 7's Kayla Christian has more.
I walked outside about 5:45 and it was really calm. I thought, okay, it's fixing to come. And I was out there about 5 minutes and then I heard it. Sounded like a big roar in the background.
Gina Freeman is no stranger to tornadoes, living in Conway for 20 years before moving to Nevada County. And this morning, as she started her shift at a local store with a coworker, the storm felt like deja vu.
We ran to the bathroom in the middle of the store and she was really frightened. I was a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. So I just grabbed her hand and we prayed to the Lord and asked him to protect our babies. And we gave it 5 minutes and we came out and it was all clear. And then we found out a lot of our friends had a lot of damage.
According to emergency management, 4 homes were damaged and around 500 in the county were left without power.
One was in a home that was just destroyed and he couldn't get out. He couldn't get the door open. But he's cleared. They gave him and nothing's broke. He's bruised up pretty good. But all in all, we're very thankful. It could have been a lot worse.
And another couple whose roof plus part of the backside of their trailer home was torn off. But these impacted residents just outside of Willisville weren't left alone.
The guys around here and the ladies have done an awesome job of helping the community.
And they're welcoming prayers as they replace and rebuild. On your side, I'm Kayla Christian.
All right, Kayla, thank you. Emergency management says the storms seem to have been on the ground for a little under a 2-mile stretch.